Good morning, come with me. Ruby smiles so happily. Grab your toothbrush, let's begin. Healthy smiles are sure to win. Brush, brush, brush away. Morning starts a happy day. Hold your toothbrush nice and tight. Keep your little teeth so bright. A little toothpaste, just a dab. Squeeze it gently, don't just grab. Minty bubbles, fresh and clean. Sparkling smiles can now be seen. Brush the front with little circles. Happy smiles are always wonderful. Up and down, nice and slow. Healthy teeth will always glow. Brush the back with snacks can hide. Left and right on every side. Take your time and brush with care. Healthy teeth are everywhere. Brush your tongue so fresh and clean. The brightest smile you've ever seen. Giggle, laugh, and sing today. Healthy mouths are here to stay. Swish the water, rinse away. Tiny bubbles float away. Spit it out and smile wide. Healthy teeth fill us with pride. Brush for 2 minutes every day. Morning, bedtime, hip hooray. Slow and gentle, don't be fast. Healthy habits always last. Crunchy apples, carrots too. Healthy foods are good for you. Drink some water, milk is great. Healthy smiles we celebrate. Candy's tasty now and then. Brush your teeth again and again. Take good care every day. Keep those cavities away.
Healthy teeth.
Visit the dentist with a smile. Checking teeth every little while. Friendly helpers keep them bright. Everything will be alright. Healthy teeth are shiny bright. Morning, noon, and every night. Ruby smiles from ear to ear. Brushing brings us lots of cheer. Brush together, sing this song. Healthy habits make us strong. Every smile shines so bright. Sparkling with delight. Brush, brush every day. Healthy smiles are here to stay. Friends and family laugh with me. Happy as can be.